Alright guys, I've reviewed a ton of action cameras, but here's the best and the cheapest 360 action camera you can buy in the market right now. This is the Insta 360 1X. And without any further delays, let's quickly get into the unboxing and then we'll start reviewing this thing. And right off the bat, you can tell this thing can shoot 5.7K, which is some crazy video quality. But inside the box, the very first thing we see is the action camera itself. Kind of an unusual design for an action camera, but I actually really like this look. But let's put that to a side and let's see what else we got in the box. So here we got a protective case, some paperwork, and obviously the wire to power this thing up along with the batteries. Now let's quickly put the batteries in and start this thing right up. So here's the power button along with the menu, or the functional button you can call, along with a very simple and a digital screen to help us navigate through this thing. Now, I'm not gonna spend too much time talking about how the menu system works and how exactly to go through this, because it's actually very simple to use, and once you actually have the camera in hand, you can figure this thing out in no time. But besides that, talking about the body itself, we have a rubberized texture all over the body with an obvious camera on the top and the exact same camera on the back side of the action camera. So we pretty much got two 180-degree cameras, which the camera is able to process and stitch the images together to create a 360-degree camera and give you that 360-degree image or video or whatever you're looking for. Besides that, on the body itself, we have a mounting bracket right at the bottom. So you can mount this thing to a selfie stick and a lot of other accessories that come along this action camera. And besides that, we have a power port to charge this thing up and connect it to the computer if you need to. And that's pretty much about it. So very simple and a very basic design we got here. Now talking about the features and what this thing can do, that could be a whole video by itself. Because honestly, this small camera is capable of doing quite a lot. Now I'm gonna run through some of the highlighted features from the box, and then we'll get straight into shooting and showing you some real life examples, cause that's probably what everyone cares about the most. So some of the basic features we got here is cinematic slow motion, a built-in stabilization which actually does a really good job, and you'll see that in a bit. Invisible selfie stick, which is a great feature I love. So it's pretty much able to remove the selfie stick completely from your image or your video without creating any weird effects or cutting out on the image. I don't know the technical part of how this works, but the computer processing actually does a really good job. And obviously, as we talked about before, this thing can shoot 5.7K at 30 FPS. And if you want to get a little more frames out of this thing, you can do 50 FPS at 4K. And while it doesn't really stop there, if you want even a slower frame rate to slow down your image later in post, you can get 100 FPS at 3K resolution, which is still really good. Now the image quality you're looking at right now is downscaled to 1080p just for this video, and it's going through YouTube compression, so keep those things in mind when you're comparing the video quality. But besides that, it can shoot 18 megapixel pictures, and all of this footage can be accessed wirelessly using your smartphone. And that is really convenient. So all you gotta do is download the Insta360 app from your smartphone. The application is available on iOS and Android, so that makes it really user friendly, and it's a really convenient way to access your pictures. And the app itself is built pretty well, so you're able to edit the pictures, and overall you're able to do quite a lot. And of course, if you want to import your pictures and edit them on a computer, that's always available. And the best part here is you can just turn on the camera and start shooting, and then later on go into editing and make the technical decisions of how you want your image to look. And honestly, just play around with it, because there's a lot of things you can do with a 360 image. There's a lot of headroom to play around and a lot of unique ways you can stitch your image together to create a unique effect and make your picture stand out. I really wish I could show you everything you could do with a 360-degree image, but that could be an entire video by itself. So let me know if you want to see something like that in a comment down below, and we'll create a video like that for you guys. So another feature I touched on previously was the invisible stick. So the artificial intelligence is able to remove the stick completely from the frame without actually ruining your pictures or videos. So right here in the picture should have been a selfie stick, which is completely removed from the picture without actually ruining the image or without making anything look bad. And that's one of my personal favorite features on this camera besides the actual 360 degree. Talking about the battery life itself, it actually does a fairly good job as well. The camera claims to shoot 1 hour of footage on one single charge, but with my personal testing, you're at least able to get 30 to 45 minutes. Maybe you can get an hour or even more if you're shooting pictures or doing something else, but for me, I got 30 to 45 minutes, which is still pretty good. Now you've seen a quick unboxing and the overall image that comes out of this camera, and a few things you can do with that 360 image and how you can play around with it. So overall, who is this camera for? Well, anyone who likes portability and the small size factor with the convenience and the ease of use. And because this thing is so small and it's a 360 camera, you're able to take some crazy shots, and whenever you have this camera running, you know you're not gonna miss a frame because it's shooting pretty much 360 all over the place. The camera also comes with extra accessories you can buy that will help you expand the dynamics of your shot. So you can get an underwater case, you can get a drift shot accessory, bullet time, and a lot of other cool things that just open a whole new world of creativity. And yeah guys, that will be it for today. Let me know what you think about this camera. If you want me to cover additional things and additional features about this camera, let me know in a comment down below and I'll try to make a separate video to answer your concerns. And until then, don't forget to subscribe to Royal Tech for more videos just like these. And as always, thanks for watching.